Okay, so the Oceaneers Club is awesome. You sign up your kids in advance online. It's 12.50, and they will watch them anytime you need to drop them off. It's super convenient, and the kids just love it. This here is Andy's room, which is the oversized version of the movie, which is really fun. And as you can see, my kid loved it. And it's really an ingenious system where they have bands that each kid wears that identifies them wherever they are. So when you pick them up, they know exactly where they're located in the Oceaneers room. And the overall experience for the kids is that they're really immersed with the cast members. The cast members do a great job. In fact, there was a cast member on our trip that went the extra mile to pixie dust our kid with some special gifts on our doorstep saying, hey, come back to the Oceaneers Club. We can't wait to see you. Really encouraged his participation. And they just have so many games and activities. Meet and greets are going all the time. It's a must for your kids. They will definitely love it. Trust me, they'll want to go back time and time again. Again, it's open from 9 a.m. to midnight on most ships, I believe. It's super cool. Please take a minute to like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks. When you're in the aft of the ship or the front of the ship, the elevators are rarely ever busy, which is great. It makes it really convenient.